Crazy. It's about to get crazy.
Barbuto, Barbuto,
Wow!
Woo! Yeah. Thanks so much, folks. That ain't easy.
Nice!
So we got the Milkman, a.k.a. Riff Raff. Milky Way. The Milky Way. The Milky Way. Go, 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 go. He's flying. That's nice, folks. That ain't easy. We're taking it back to the old school days. He ain't done. The Milkman is coming. Next up we got Steve, Compton, California. Snap it to a Slim Jim. Let's go.
Oh yeah!
Off the grip, 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 off the grip. Woo! Nice. Drill. Okay, okay. Ooh. Boom. Finesse. Okay. Stevie. Woo! Black Spider-Man. This that boom right here. Beans and rice. Beans and rice. Beans and rice. Beans and rice. That's the nice, folks. It ain't easy. We got Patrick, funky Filipino, funky Filipino, 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 let's go. Hey, 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 pop, 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 pop. That's the noise, folks.
Wow. Nice.
Hey, so we go, 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 go. Make some noise. It ain't easy, folks. Make some noise. Give us some energy. Cheers, dude.
Alright folks, if y'all thought that was crazy, it's about to get crazy.
Mortal Kombat! Mortal Kombat!
Take it out, 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 take it out.
Wow. Oh no. I see where this is going. Oh dear.
That poor lady.
Take it. Yeah. you lose. Perfect.
Get as close as possible. It's not that good. All right, everybody, you got your cameras ready?
Yes.
No? All right, if you're Asian, get ready for photo now. If you are black, get your Kodak disposable ready right now. If you're Mexican, just remember this moment. I feel you on the whole camera situation. Best qualities in the cabeza. And if you are white, get your Canon 5D and Nikon's focus. Get the aperture right, okay? Get your flying GoPros and your iPhone 7's the only white people get. All right. Chase, you ready to flip? All right, Chase is ready to flip. If y'all ready to see Chase flip, everybody say yeah.
Yeah.
If y'all ready to see Chase risk his life, say yeah.
Yeah.
If y'all ready to see Chase die, say yeah.
No.
Good, you're listening. Now listen up, folks. Before we take this jump, we have one last message. Listen up and listen good. I'm only going to say this once. Everybody knows just as well as we do. If we do the front flip first, after that, everybody's going to leave. So before we do the last and final move, please do not be intimidated by the small bags we carry. We're only trying to fill it up to the top. At this time, we ask that you all take a $20 bill out your wallet and give us the rest of the money that's inside your wallet. If you don't have any cash on you, it's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, here we go, folks. Open up right here, please. There's going to be a black man running fast with no police behind him. This ain't cops. The border short cheaters. Out the way. All right, here we go. And here's out, everybody. Here's out real quick. We joke about racism because to us, racism is a joke. And we said something you did not like, write it in the back of a $100 bill, and we'll never say it again. I promise, okay? But remember, folks, there's only one race, and that's the human race. So let's make some noise for that real quick.
Yay. Beautiful.
Everybody else is about to get amazing, okay?
Open up, black guy running fast.
Oh, here we go. Booty control, guys. Cover up the booty right here. This one was kind of shy earlier. Should have been. I think that, there you go. All right. Oh, wow. I got my extra vision back. Lady, lady, flat. Like elbows to knees. Like, you're not like getting hit. You're like this. Like, elbows to knees like this. Elbows to knees. Oh, you got to pee or something? It's good, nation. Okay. This is good. This is fucking really good. All right. All right, let's do this. Everybody clap like this. When we say make some noise, y'all make some noise. Everybody, make some noise. Here we go. Woo! Hey! And make some noise. You guys gotta be nice.